Welcome to the Ritz. Yep, that's me staying in the Ritz. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, this was one of my biggest Christmas wish dreams come true. And of course, no Princess Christmas wish is complete without shopping. So from Paris to London to New York City, here is everything that I bought myself for Christmas so far. After all, it's only November. There's plenty more to buy. So without further ado, presenting my presents. What's up, angels? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So I have everything that I bought behind me, but one of my favorite gifts in the world is an experience, especially one that's something you've wanted to do your whole life. So we'll start with my day at the Ritz. Welcome to the Ritz. Look at this! Guys, this is our hotel room. Oh my God.
We are in Amber's fairy tale land.
Woo! So guys, I need to do a room tour. Look at this. This is actually insane. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I'm gonna throw up, oh my God. All right guys, the actual bedroom. This is insane. Look at this. Got this little antique dressing area, and out the window is the gorgeous view of Mayfair. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Look. Oh, it's just crazy in here. Voila. Okay, here we have the bathroom. Wow. It is giving glamour. Especially the little towels. I'm gonna take one of these. I really am the world's tackiest tourist. I also bought the key ring from the room key because I wanted to keep a souvenir. We ordered the world's best room service when we were there, by the way. It was so fun. This is the best room service ever. Look at this, you guys. Wow. All right, guys, we're having tea at the Ritz. Look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's so delicious. And of course, we had to go to the flea market. Good morning, it's flea market day! Woo! Oh my God. I have not had coffee yet, by the way.
I can't believe it!
Now, there we go, just to be extra fun. Also, wait guys, look, we're wearing the same sweater. Oh my gosh, my gosh, my gosh, my gosh. Oh. Unbelievably beautiful. Wow. Oh my God, this is it. This is the store. Look at this, you guys, hand painted.
This one is $7.50.
Oh my God, it's beautiful. The little boxes, they're so beautiful. Oh la 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 la, look at that. What a purse. This is a pretty little dish. I really like this little vase. All right, we got all the clothes everywhere. Woo woo! This is cool. Try this on. What do you think? This is kind of a cool little vintage fit.
That's definitely an Amber's life.
Oh, I'm giving crazy. So I got this little vintage Burberry sweatshirt. Isn't this cool? This is like from the 90s. So fun. I love an oversized vintage sweatshirt. Truly one of my all-time favorite fashion looks, especially with no pants, as you know. And of course, couldn't finish off London without doing our typical Taylor Swift tourism. And I miss you at the Black Dog.
Old habits die
screaming. And the next day, we headed off to Paris. Taking a little detour à Paris. Oh, good morning, you beautiful flea market. I love you so much. You guys, look at how cute these are. Oh my God. Wow, these are so gorgeous. Aren't these so cool? I just love these. Oh, look how beautiful these little vintage boxes are. 333 looking amazing in there. Oh my God. Wow. This is the best store full of the most beautiful books. These are all awfully nice. You guys, this is like the cutest stuff I've ever seen. Oh my God. Oh my
Yes,
gosh,
oh my God,
look
they're
you
so-
guys.
everything is so beautiful.
This is the cutest thing in the whole world. Woohoo! Love the books. Popping in at La Avenue, visiting Emily in Paris. Oh my God, hi Emily in Paris. And if you ever come here, you guys gotta get this rice. It's unbelievable. And again, the cheesecake, we came here. All the way to Paris, woo! All right, so the first thing that I got, these are antique sterling silver salt dishes, but I use them as jewelry containers actually. But oh my gosh, look at them. Aren't they just beautiful? Look at the details. Oh, they're gorgeous. Oh, like I have this blue one that I got last time that I keep my sapphire ring in. So beautiful. And now I need to obviously do this up a little better, but how cute. The clear diamond ones are gonna look so beautiful in there. God, I just love these. I also got quite a few books when I was over there. I collect old books. Obviously, my library is full of them. And I especially love ones that I got on my travels because that just makes them extra special, you know? When I see them, I'm like, oh yeah, the one I got in the Paris flea market. So these are the ones that I picked. Promenades of Paris. Oh, just look at that. This is so pretty. Oh God, even the inside pages of life. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is 1890. Oh, I love history. It's like traveling through time. This is my favorite style of decor, so I had to get this one. Like, oh, beautiful. All my favorite things. This book is basically just pictures of my whole house. And this one I just thought was extra gorgeous. Look at the gilding on the front. Ugh, and the sides, wow. And the back. Oh, this book is just so beautiful. It has the gold pages. Wow. So we'll put that up there. Ooh, beautiful. I'll just put these here for now next to the other book I got in Paris last time I was there. Oh, truly little treasures. It's taking me a damn 100,000 million years to fill all the shelves with books, but I like that it's taking a long time, you know? Each one is really, truly gonna be special and handpicked by moi. Pardon my French. Okay, so these are my favorite things that I got in Paris. Oh my gosh, wait till you guys see these. Look at this. Look at this painting. Do you see how gorgeous this is? Look at the details. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. And it came with a little sister painting. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Okay, so I bought these paintings because I think they're beautiful. However, why I really bought them is I think that they are done, at least if not in the style of, I think they might be actually done by my favorite artist in the world, Hans Zatzke. When I saw this hanging up, I instantly thought of this print that I have of his. They're just so similar. The signature is rubbed off here, but do you see how if I fill this in, it could maybe be an HZ? I don't know if I'm right or not, but I have a feeling, and we'll find out because I have an appointment with Sotheby's next week. Either way, this is one of the best painted paintings I've ever seen. Literally my life dream right there. I also got this gorgeous little antique shawl. Look at that. It has like someone's initials embroidered into silk on the inside. This is from the 20s. I just love glamorous, fabulous old lady stuff like this. This is just really giving time travel. And when I'm not wearing it, it looks beautiful draped on the piano. So Loro Piana was actually doing this like random little pop-up thing outside of the store where they were pressing flowers for people. Isn't this cool? This was actually free. They were just giving these away if you happened into the store. But look at this. Oh, isn't that cool? A little pressed French flower. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this. I'm probably gonna frame it in a pretty gold frame like those, but so fun, so fun. Okay, so as much as I love to buy myself gifts, it is the holidays and I love to spread the love too. So The next thing on the list I didn't get in Paris, but if you're looking for a little bit of gift-giving inspo, here's one of my favorite things. You guys remember all of my girl talk TMI videos? I have shown this in plenty of those videos. This is my You Like IPL hair removal device. So one of my favorite things about going to Paris is usually finding a man to French kiss me. And that means I like to have a very smooth body. So this is the You Like IPL hair removal device, which in case you're not familiar from all my other videos that I've talked about this before, basically it's the same laser hair technology in the salon, but at home. So just in time for Christmas, look at how cute they have this whole like little festive packaging thing. Oh my gosh, the shiny box, I love it. So here is what's inside when you open it. Dun 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 dun. Cute little festive gift bag. It comes with a little card. Let's read it. Oh God, I just love Christmas packaging. So fun. Comes with some aloe vera gel stuff, and then in here's the real box. Ta-da! Okay, so here we go. What is actually officially inside actual IPL device, which looks like this. It's actually really pretty, I think. It's like purple and cool, and it has the little laser light at the top here. I'll explain that in a second. Then inside we have all of the little goodies that you need. Cord, we have a cute little bag, and of course my personal favorite accessory of all. Truly the gift of high fashion. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to use this really quick because it's super easy. So here's how it works. So like I said, it is basically the same laser hair removal technology that you would get in the salon, but in the comfort of your own home. So how it works is it basically destroys the hair follicle. So, you know, with repeated use, the hair doesn't grow back. Okay, so you can see here, the first step is to shave. Dun, 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 dun. They give you the little razor. Then you can go ahead and flip it on. You guys can hear it a little bit here. You ready? It just sounds kind of like a little fan. P.S. This is the Air 10, so this is like the newest, latest, greatest, most fabulous model.
The Air 10 has a 96% hair reduction in 4 weeks, and this one has 4 modes: fast, normal, high, and brand new SHR mode.
SHR mode just stands for super hair removal. Nothing particularly fancy, but there you go for the academics out there.
Lots of different settings to make it more powerful or less powerful depending on what it is that you want. Not to mention dual lights instead of a single light, so even better than before.
As you can see, I mean, again, at this point, I don't really have any hair left, but I'm gonna show you what to do anyways. Again, make sure you have your eyeglasses on, but it's super easy. Quick Q&As, I get about this a lot. Does it hurt? No. I know it kind of looks like it would, but it really doesn't feel like anything. And that's due to mostly, actually, you guys know I really like jewelry, but there is actually real sapphires in there. So they have sapphire cooling technology, so it's cool to touch. It doesn't literally feel like basically anything at all, really. Is it safe? Yes, it is. You Like is 100% FDA approved and the #1 brand in at-home IPL hair removal. So you're good, you don't have to worry about a thing. How long does it take to work? Actually, get this, in just as little as 2 weeks, you will start to see noticeable results. I have been using this for, good God, I don't even know at this point. I think November 2022 was probably when I first started. Again, you can see like how I started in November of 2022 versus now. I mean, there's like really not much there. So after years, like me, you will have hella visible results. Like, do you see how smooth my skin is? Ooh, I am like Hailey Bieber's baby for Halloween, a naked mole rat. You guys know I used to go to the salons, but that just got so expensive and was so tiring. I was just like, why am I doing this? So this really is the ultimate DIY life hack for that. So whether it's for you or someone you love, never having to shave your fucking bikini line, a priceless gift, really. And as a special surprise just for you guys, you can use my code and you are going to get a huge discount. So you can shop on Amazon or the You Like website. Thank you, You Like, for sponsoring this video, for keeping me fabulously hairless for my French rendezvous, and of course, for hooking it up for you guys. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and happy hairlessness to you. And of course, on the way home from Paris, we stopped in New York. I just thought all of you would like to know, I successfully figured out the subway. I actually love the subway. Hi!
Hi! Sebastian Fifth.
Look, you guys, wait till you see this store. OMG. Look, guys, they have Swarovski lollipops right now. Oh my gosh. Guys, this store is unbelievable. Look at this staircase. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at the pink marble stairs. Oh my gosh, this store is wild. Unbelievable. We need to go to Disneyland.
No, but I want those.
Oh my god, you guys, look at this. That is insane. $23,000. Holy shitballs. Look. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, New York City, man. Look at this table display. This is the kind of table display that I need. This is how I serve food. You guys know I don't cook. I don't care. This is if you come
When you come over to Amber.
yeah, if you come over to dinner from my house, this is what we're having. Wow. A little quick pit stop at the Plaza gift shop because you know I'm obsessed with it. Look at all the fun things I'm gonna get. Y'all know I love the towels. I actually think this would be a fun little thing to have in my room. They just have the cutest stuff in here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. But I think I might get another one of these just so I can have a set. La 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 la, deranged. LOL, oops. Woohoo! Brum brum brum. Right, so in the beautiful city of NYC, from the Met, got another gorgeous tacky tourist sweatshirt because like I said, I love these. This is just a particularly soft, fabulous, sexy one. I feel so cultured. And of course, my beloved, the Plaza. I forgot, I actually already emptied this and it got crushed on the plane. But I got a little Plaza scented air diffuser. This really does smell like the Plaza. Now I come into my bathroom to sniff it for fun. And I got a brand new Plaza towel. Oh, gorgeous. Honestly, I would love to be the IRL Eloise at the Plaza. I spend most of my time trying to turn my home into all my favorite hotels, as you know. And you guys know, I actually bought one of these many moons ago. I got one of the little Plaza original doorknobs, which I thought was so cool, but I've run into the problem of only having one. It obviously makes no sense as a doorknob. So, dun dun dun! Yay! I got another one. So now I have two and can actually make a real working doorknob. I would hardly say that's installed properly, but oh, won't that be fun? Beautiful. And last but not least, before I sign off, did you guys notice what's on my neck? Just in time for the holidays, a very limited re-release. I have updated and made even more beautiful the original Freest Styles of my 333 necklaces. So we have the What If It Doesn't Come True, but What If It Does pendant, my favorite necklace in the whole world. We also have the lovely You Are Art necklace is back with new fancy lettering. And of course, one of the best ones of all, if you're looking to treat yourself or someone you love this season, For the Love of My Life. Me. So those are available on 333beverlyhills.com until they sell out. I only have a couple hundred of each, so quick shopping. And of course we have all the other diamond doves as well, so plenty to look around at. And that, my friends, are the Christmas presents that I bought myself overseas and some other random stuff. My videos this time of year are really all over the place, guys. But that's because I'm all over the place. I love you guys so, so, so very much. I'll see you for another video very soon. Happy holidays. XO. I don't really know what we're even calling this video yet. Ah, Jesus Christ. Oh God. Okay, hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.